Hi, welcome back. This is Jennifer ScrappinCain. Today I'm sharing a design team layout for the scrap room, and I'm using the flavors of the month. I'm going to use Simple Stories Flannel Season. I think it's vintage flannel season. Either way, it's the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to use the sketch also that is included with your kit. And I have here a photo of my son in his winter coat. It was actually very cold outside, even though there's not a whole lot of snow on the ground. Colorado is known for the sunshine and being freezing cold, even if the sun is out. So that was what we were doing that day. I have the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and then I have three of the 12 by 12 pattern papers, and I'm going to use mainly the flavors of the month kit. I'm not going to cut into anything else, but I'm going to go ahead and show you everything else that is included with my kits, since I receive the embellishment kit, the paper add-on kit, and the shots of life. So this is still the flavors of the month. You get 2 pieces of cardstock, and then this here is the embellishment kit. So you receive half of the foam stickers for the title pieces. And then here is the paper add-ons. You receive 2 more full 12 by 12 sheets. This one has journaling bits on the other side that you can cut apart. And then this one here has scripty words in flannel. And then this here is shots of life. So you receive a few of the ephemera pieces. I'm not sure how much, I don't remember. It's either half or 1/3. She usually cuts it up depending on how much is actually included in the package. And then you receive 1 more sheet of paper, which is usually a pocket type page, and that's because this is the pocket page kit. So here I have lots of ephemera pieces, which I love. I always love having extra embellishments, so it's really hard for me to just use the main flavors of the month kit. But every once in a while I can do it, and I really liked this month's flavors of the month kit and what was included for this particular collection. So there you go. And also on the sketch, there was 2 photos. I'm only going to have one. One because it's going to be 8.5 by 11, and the photo is a 4 by 6, so it's fairly large. But 2, I only have 1 photo, so that's the reason. So here's the back side of that cut apart sheet, which is a beautiful plaid. I love it. Can't wait to use that one on another layout. So here we're going to get started on the layout, and I decided to use this plaid as my background. I just love that it has all of the colors that are included in the collection, so that's the reason I'm going with this one. And then I also love this green paper, but I'm going to use the opposite side of it, which is the florals. I'm trying to get a little bit better about using the more busy pattern papers, or at least challenge myself to use them once in a while if I really love them. And I love this flower paper. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use it. I'm not going to use just the green side and make it simple. I'm going to use this beautiful flower paper. So that's what I did on the sketch. It shows a smaller piece over here on the left hand side, or the right hand side, sorry. And I went ahead and used the green since I love that side too. Over here, it's actually a ribbon that she shows in the sketch. I decided just to use a piece of the pattern paper and add another layer, and I think it looks great. I'm actually going to eliminate the other strip that goes on the right hand side. Again, because this is 8.5 by 11 instead of 12 by 12. Usually I have to eliminate something just to make it a little bit more adjustable for 8.5 by 11. Wasn't sure how I was going to say that, but yeah, that's right. I matted the photo in white, and then I laid it on that blue, dark blue snowflake paper. I kind of wish I would have flipped that and did the green for the photo mat and did the blue as the strips, but either way, it's down, it's done, and it's okay. Everything blue kind of goes more towards the center, including his blue coat, but It's okay. It's a different blue, so I think the photo pops either way since it's a large photo. And here I'm just adding foam to my little stickers. I did take the stickiness off of the stickers so that I could play with them as embellishments. And I love this title here, The Freezing. I think I put my title down as like bundle up, but actually the title is really freezing because it's more prominent on the layout. And the like idea behind it is because he is actually freezing in the photo. Like we didn't even stay outside very long because one, there wasn't that much snow to play with, but this was one of the first snowfalls, so it was kind of just a dusting, but it was freezing outside. Like, and the sunshine, as you can see, is bright and out, but it is freezing, and that is typical Colorado. So here I have that other flower sticker over on the side with another sticker on it. And I'm sorry, I cannot read it and I don't have the layout in front of me to tell you what it says, but it's another related to the season. So I just put it over there on the side. I like these little mittens. I thought they were cute. And I was trying to add little embellishments wherever the birds were. So I was trying to use the birds that are in the background, but also add birds. So I added a little bird with the houses over there by freezing. I'm not sure why I keep taking my glasses off, but my eyes were probably watering or getting tired. That seems to be what they do now here lately. I used to have perfect sight until I was about 40-ish, and I ended up with glasses. And now that I'm 51, I have uh, bifocals. So, yeah, the eyesight just keeps getting better and better. But there you go. I have a little close up for you, and I will have some close up photos. I did end up moving that flower, which is coming up here, and it says, "Baby, it's cold outside," up a little bit closer to the bird. So it was just a little bit too much straight across from freezing. So I moved it up just slightly, not very much. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's layout and you'll check out the kits for the scrap room. I will have another layout up a little bit later in the month, and it will be using the 49 and Market collection. So I will see you then. Bye.